In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to stop people from sharing what you post on their stories on Facebook. It's very quick and easy, so just follow what I do and let's get started. So first of all, on Android, click on the three stripes at the top right corner, and on iOS at the bottom right corner. And this will open up the Facebook menu, and all you need to do is just scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then open the settings, and this will display all your settings. All you need to do is scroll down till you see the privacy tab and click on timeline and tagging right here. The third one at the timeline tab says allow others to share your post to their story, and it is on right now, but all you need to do is just click on no, and this will turn it off so people can't share your posts on their story anymore. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.